you guys want to spend money on your Kikoff account, all you have to do is log into your Kikoff account, and then you want to go ahead and click on where it says your Kikoff credit account. And then if you scroll down to the bottom, you're going to actually see your store, and that's how you can actually spend things with your Kikoff account. I really do not suggest you guys like spend things with your account though. I do want to show you how you can do it, but I don't suggest you guys spend too much. You just want this account to report to the credit bureau. It's not your account you want to have forever. So this is a Kikoff account here. Go ahead and click on Kikoff credit, and then if you go down to the bottom, you're going to see the visit Kikoff store, and then these are the different products that you guys can purchase within their store. But again, I just want this account, or when I first got it, I just wanted them to report. And I got it too, so I can see how it's going to affect everybody else and how it's going to report. So this account for everybody else, I tell them just get them so that they can report to the credit bureaus. That's it. I don't suggest you guys try to keep this account forever. And I can't say what the other words to say, but I dang sure don't want you guys just be buying stuff just to be buying stuff with them, because it's not like you buying necessities. You just buying stuff so that they can report to the credit bureaus. That's like they whole